Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your Kovo vocal exercise of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen. I am the founder of Kovo, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. We have just wrapped up Agility Month here at Kovo, 4 wonderful weeks of fast-paced precision building workouts to keep our community members' vocal cords dancing. And I couldn't resist sharing just one final agility challenge with you before we move on to our new theme in August. But before I tell you about this exercise, I want to tell you first about the woman who composed it, Matilda Marquesi. She is one of my all-time heroes, a legendary 19th century voice teacher in Paris, a trailblazer in every sense, one of the first female voice teachers to rise to prominence in Europe and a fierce advocate for technical rigor in training women's voices. She founded a voice school for women, mostly young women, in Paris, where she trained a generation of singers, including Dame Nellie Melba and Estelle Liebling, who went on to train the famous American soprano Beverly Sills. Marchesi was also, in my view, the queen of vocal agility training. Her vocal methods are full of challenging, clever, carefully sequenced vocal agility exercises, and this one is a perfect example. I'm calling it agility a la Madrigal because of the syllables that I have decided to add. The fa la la text that you see here is my idea, inspired by the refrains of Renaissance madrigals. These syllables are a great way to promote tongue and jaw flexibility, as well as the vocal cord flexibility that the original exercise demands. So here are the first 2 measures. Let's try just that together. Here we go. Let's try that a little faster. Before we get too much faster, do a quick check. Can you pronounce la 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 with just the tip of your tongue? La 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 la, or are you chewing your jaw? La 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 la. Try singing these syllables with no jaw movement at all, just the tip of the tongue after that initial fa. Here we go again. Like that. Now, this exercise has a back half as well. You can see that the second 2 measures are an upside down mirror image of the first 2. They sound like this. Let's try that together slowly. One more time. It is not easy to end on the highest note, is it? Now let's try the entire exercise from the beginning. You got it? Okay, great. Let's take it up by half steps. down in pitch, you might want to try the full Marchesi approved version by eliminating my madrigal syllables and just singing on the ah vowel, which is what Madame Marchesi herself would have required of us. You will notice right away that the lack of syllables makes it more difficult to cleanly articulate the note changes. Just ah if you'd like. Well, I personally like the madrigal syllables, so I'm going to go back to those for the last two half steps. Last one on your own. And one last time together. Very nice. So I hope that you will enjoy practicing this agility exercise in the coming week. If you have enjoyed this exercise, we've got more for you. We host live general vocal workouts twice a week on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These half-hour sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you would like the next vocal exercise of the week to show up in your email inbox, you can find out how in the description below. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.